Welcome to the product demonstration of hybrid power generation with solar and wind energy. In this product, we are using solar plates. Here you can see each wind cap will have a solar plates. Here you can see we are using so here you can see we are using 3 wings, and for each wing we will be using a solar plates. So here you can see come here, and we can see here. So this solar energy will be given to this so here you can see this is the TP4056. So these solar plates are connected to the input of this TP4056. For the each solar plate positive will consist of a one diode. So each diode will be connected to the each wing of this solar plates, because this solar plate will be generated one power and this will be generated power. So each wing will be generated 25 volts of power in sunlight. So even that time these voltages will be occur at one point if there will be reverse current together, and this solar plates will be damaged. That's why we are using a diodes for each solar plate. So we know that diode will work on the only forward condition, it doesn't work in the reverse condition. Through the diode we are connecting to the TP4056 to here. Through here it is given to this battery and also given to this USB module. We can charge this battery using a C-type charger also. We can see another switch from the TP4056 to USB. This is a switch, and we are providing the power supply through this switch for the USB module. So this is the USB module. It boosts the voltage from 3 volts to 5 volts. This battery pack consists of a 3 volts. The 3 volts will be given to this USB module. It boosts up to 2 volts. So the 2 volts plus 3 volts is equal to 5 volts. That boosted 5 volts will be given to this transmitter. So it is that 5 volts will be given to this transmitter coil. So we can clearly observe the transmitter coil here. So they are making a wireless power transmission. This is the transmitter coil which is connected to the 5 volts of USB, and here also we can see receiver coil. It is connected to the rectifier, and also here we can see through USB to transmitter coil there is a one circuit called inverter. So it takes DC voltage and will be converted into AC. That AC will be given to this transmitter coil, because if we give a DC power to this transmitter lines, then it will be burned. So we will convert a DC to AC and we will give a power supply to this transmitter coil. So it will generate a magnetic field. That magnetic field will be linked with this transmitter coil. The transmitter coil receive that alternating current. That alternating current will be given to this rectifier. So we know that rectifier will convert AC to DC. That DC voltage will be given to this lights. So here we can see we are using the 2 light strips. So one is for the dynamo motor and another is for the wireless transmission. So if I on the power supply, so if I on the power supply through the switch, so we can see here this total system is in on position, and we can see also back side. So if we generate a power like this way or this way, so this is the solar. So it will be transmit the power where the solar plates are generated. So the solar plate generated power will be only transmitted through this wireless transmission coils. And also we can see another strip for the dynamo motor. So if you rotate dynamo motor, so we can see the light indications. So this is the 1000 RPM dynamo motor, and again you will see So we will show you how it will be generating. So I am rotating it very low speed, that's why it is showing giving very low amount of power. So now I am connected multimeter here. So we can see voltage is 1 point, like this it is varying. So if I rotate this windmill 1000 rpm per second, then it will give a 12 volts nearly. So if I rotate this one as anti-clockwise, it will show as a -1. And also we will see the another connection. So here is the wireless transmitted solar power energy. So you can see we will connect like this one. So here we can see now it is have a 5 volts of power supply. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.